So today we are in Ash and we are now walking along the Basingstoke Canal path, which will take us to the Ash Aqueduct, and the aqueduct is between Basingstoke and Surrey. I thought it would be interesting for the kids to see another way or another path for transportation.
And how long do you reckon it'll take to get there?
From where we are, I think it will take roughly somewhere between 6 to 10 minutes, depending on the pace of the kids. But this path you could actually walk all the way to Basingstoke if you wanted to, but we won't do that. So we are now actually over the A331 dual carriageway. You wouldn't believe that the aqueduct were here, because obviously when you're so low down you wouldn't be able to see the water. But if you look along this canal, you could then paddleboard or you can kayak all the way to Basingstoke if you wanted to. As you can see behind me, the Blackwater Valley Path, you can actually walk around the nature reserve. You can walk, you can jog, you can run. So basically, this aqueduct and canal path is just another way of getting from point A to point B. It's estimated to be 1.3 meters in depth.
Where are we going, kids?
Lakeside Nature Reserve Play Area.